how you check your Windows laptop computer battery health under Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's go ahead and type CMD on the search bar. Now let's type power CFG space battery report. Now your battery health report is located under this file path. Now let's go there and check the battery report. Here's the battery report. Let's see what is inside the battery report. Tells us the computer name and a lot of other information. What is important here is the full charge capacity. This number has to be close to the design capacity. If this number is way off, consider buying a new battery. Also, if the cycle count is greater than 500, consider buying a new battery. And there's a lot of other stats about the battery. I hope you find this information useful. Well guys, this is the end of the video. If you like what you saw, make sure you click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.